फट जाएगा। हमारी पहली एक्सरसाइज है सिंगल एंड क्रॉस बॉडी ट्राइसेप एक्सटेंशन।
This is the number one bullshit exercise to grow your malnourished freaking triceps because it has a lot of issues. And before Kashish Gupta's illiterate science-based students get triggered and call me freaking out, hear me out, lads, and I shall explain why.
फट जाएगा। हमारी पहली एक्सरसाइज है सिंगल एंड क्रॉस बॉडी ट्राइसेप एक्सटेंशन।
The progressive overload potential of this exercise is trash. Grabbing the ball, the ball of the freaking cable while performing this tricep exercise is basically a freaking joker act and it feels weird. Maybe Kashish Gupta enjoys this because he loves grabbing others' ball sack for freaking pleasure. Second, the loop applied on the freaking cable which slightly spills over on the ball head makes it kind of extremely slippery when you freaking grab the cable, and it makes all this freaking exercise a freaking circus act, just like Kashish Gupta's YouTube channel. As I mentioned before, the progressive overload potential of this freaking exercise is trash. As the weight gets freaking heavier, the ball head squeezes your palm, okay, because you're grabbing like this, and the setup becomes extremely uncomfortable because your palm is kind of squeezy, and the entire setup is unstable because why? The setup is extremely slippery and it's an overall pain in the freaking ass, just like the ass Kashish Gupta clearly lacks.
Anita, Sunita, Bonita, Bonita.
And while you do the cross body tricep push downs, you kind of flare the elbow outwards, which is kind of uncomfortable, problematic to few people. But this is not a big deal, but this can actually cause issues to people who have already pre-existing prone gripping the ball head, just like Kashish Gupta prone grips Rohit Khatri's dick for more freaking views. Oh, fuck. Hold on, guys, where the fuck was I? Oh, yeah, prone gripping. When you prone grip the ball head, you're basically biasing your freaking shoulders towards internal rotation. A neutral grip while doing your push downs is more comfortable, but the prone grip is not bad too, but I'm addressing the nuances in case people have limited shoulder IR due to super narrow ISA, or with a person who has pre-existing right BC pattern and now that freaking person has limited shoulder internal rotation on his freaking right side. Heavy rope tricep push downs and heavy rope overhead extensions are goated for meaty, super physiological tricep hypertrophy. Close grip barbell bench press does hammer your triceps a freaking lot, but it's a compound exercise. It also hammers your freaking chest, your anterior deltoid. So to conclude, the cross-body tricep push downs are shit, just like Kashish Gupta's science-based gaslighting. My friend, make sure to train in a variety of range of motion, incorporate different machines, try new exercises, this exercise can break your freaking bones type of exercises, make lifting fun, and try out new shit on a freaking regular basis because exercise needs to be fun, okay? You need to freaking enjoy it. If it is freaking monotonous, then you might get demotivated. My dear gym newbie, make lifting fun. It's because lifting is a freaking marathon and it's not a freaking sprint. If this person pinpoints a particular freaking exercise and then he starts yapping, oh, this freaking exercise is gonna break your freaking bones and put you on a stretcher by citing a freaking 12-week sports science study, which is absolute shit, my friend, he or she is trying to scam you and then gaslight you into freaking buying his useless freaking course. That person is a scammer by default, and stay away from such people. I strongly say this because sports science is lately poop loaded with dumb, ego loaded scammers like Bald Mike, Milo, and in India it's freaking Kashish Gupta. What Shania kaun hai be? Damn bro, she's freaking hot, a freaking muscle mommy. FBI, open up! Chodo bhai, back to the freaking point. Kashish Gupta ki maa ki choot. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते